wise King Solomon.
When you read na? David
died, his son Solomon
became
became king of Israel.
Next one.
And
In
a dream, God
ask
ask him why
what
would you like most of all? Money, health, food.
very good. Next one. But
Solomon said,
dear
God,
God,
make me wise. God was pleased. You shall be wise, he said.
very good. Next.
Solomon, the wise queen,
Was
was from
famous
everywhere.
The
The
beautiful
queen of Sheba came from far away
to
to festival.
visit
Visit him.
very good. Next.
She asked
Many
questions.
very good.
Finally, he said, God, he
Has
made you very wise. Good job.
good job.
Good job. Okay,
Next one.
sorry.
Solomon
built
a
a
beautiful
Temple.
where the
people
could
could
worship
worship
Put your feet down. I cannot see. Okay, worship. What's the next one?
next one.
God's side. Inside, he put the special box from God's tent.
Very good.
Okay, good job.
Daddy.
I don't know how to hold this thing.
Next one.
Okay.
The last one. The last way.
Last page.
When
When the temple was finished, people came from there
Near.
and
for to pray. Day!
good job.
Good job,
Okay.
Bakili Beam.
Good job, Bakili.
And another star we can sleep. And another star.